I should post like a collage of all the Sam Edelman shoes that I've worn over the years. Hey, what's up y'all? It's your girl aanasmira and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do an unboxing video and a haul because an unboxing video is one of my favorite things. But I'm also gonna try these pieces on. So I got some goodies from Sam Edelman. I am very excited. I love Sam Edelman. I've been rocking with Sam Edelman since like high school, maybe even middle school. I'm gonna say high school. Like, I love Sam Edelman. I'm always in Sam Edelman. Like, sandals, flats, heels, you name it. I have worn them. Like, legit, I want to be sponsored by Sam Edelman. So Sam Edelman, please sponsor me. I love y'all so much. So yeah, let's dig into this box so y'all can see what I got. All right. What should I do first? We'll do these because this is why I wore this outfit. I wore this outfit for these shoes. Love the packaging. Okay, so Sam Edelman is like a fast fashion shoemaker, but they also make clothes too. But I've always worn their shoes. They sell it at Nordstrom. That's the only place I've seen Sam Edelman is Nordstrom and online. I actually got them from samedelman.com. There actually used to be a store at my mall, but then it closed down and I'm really sad about it because I used to go there all the time. Because there's actually a story behind one of these shoes, and y'all will hear it. But first, let's dig into these because, yeah, let's do it. So, the first shoes that I got are the Agustina in Fuchsia. Got them in a 9.5. So, let's dig in. I'm really excited because I saw these over the holidays and I was like, I need them in my life. Oh, they're so pretty. It's like a mixture of Amina Muaddi and Renee Chalvilla. Or Chalvilla? Chalvilla? I think it's Chalvilla. But yeah, that's what it's giving me. I noticed there's some glue. There's some glue on the bling, but other than that, they're stunning. I'm obsessed. They're so pretty. I always do this. I only pull out one shoe because I just fixate on it and just stare at it because it's so beautiful and I'm obsessed. Beautiful Sam Edelman detail on the sole. Ooh, and it has this so I don't slide. But these are so cute. Look at Sam Edelman trying to have a signature thing. How cute. So cute. I love that. That's new. I've never seen that on a Sam Edelman shoe before. First pair. I got them in this pink color because I don't actually have any shoes or heels in pink. Do I? I have like a purple, but not pink, not hot pink. And there's this thing on like Farfetched or List it was like an article about how like hot pink is like in right now. Like, so I feel like I'm on trend with these babies. These are so pretty. They're gorgeous. They're perfect for like to dress up a casual look, or if you want to be fancy, they're cute for that as well. And mules are really in right now. So I'm really happy. I hope y'all can't see my hairy underarms because I am not shaved. But yeah, I'm obsessed. They're pretty. I love them. The next shoe that I got is actually a boot. I literally have been wanting these since like 2018, 2019. Whenever Prada came out with that combat chunky military type boot, many people imitated them, and I feel like I liked Sam Edelman's interpretation of it the most. Back then, they didn't have half sizes in this style boot. So I actually bought them in a 9 and they were like too small. So then I went up to a 10 and I was like, ooh, these look like clown shoes on me. So I just got my money back. But finally they have them in a 9.5. I'm not sure if they were the same name. I can actually probably look in my phone to get the name of the original ones that I got. Let's see.
1 hour later.
Yeah, it was something else. The original boot that I got was Dallas, and I'm really sad because they had like a zipper on the front. They were super cute. So I got the Dallas ones back in 2020, but they were too big because I got them in a 10. So I got these new ones. These boots, they're called Daelyn. Yeah, and I got them in a 9.5. I'm already obsessed with the heel. These look huge. Oh my gosh. Ooh, they're waterproof. Nice. So these are the Daelyn boots. They're so cute. Ooh, look, wait, hold on. Look at this. It's a little weather tag. Hold on. Okay. So it says Sam Edelman waterproof, where fashion meets function, crafted with high quality waterproof materials. These shoes offer optimal protection on wet and rainy days. Tested to ensure you will be comfortable and dry. Every seam, zipper, and elastic is taped and is sealed in to keep the elements out. Cool. So yeah, these are dope. I love them. I love how the heel feels. It feels like it's comfortable, so I'm excited. Here's the other boot. How it looks on the back and on the sole. Let me go ahead and try these on so you guys can see how they look on me.
You don't like it?
These jeans are not your birthday present.
Yes, they are. Well, I'm gonna wear them anyway. Hurry up.
What do you think? Do you like these?
Yeah, they look okay. It won't be hard to walk in just like those other ones are.
Why would these be hard? The heel's not
heel
hard.
But the heel is weird. Who are they by?
My favorite shoemaker.
Sam Edelman?
Yep.
They're pretty. Are they my size?
No, they're not your size. You're just talking shit about them. Now you want them? I think they're cute. They don't hurt my toes right now. I can walk in them. Yeah, I actually wanted to wear these with this outfit and my off-white purse. I actually did a video on that. I will link it in the info bar so y'all can check that out. But yeah, I love these. They're so cute. I feel cute. I think I look good. Pull up in the purple beats. I love them. So you can see the heel. Look, the jeans, they can tie up a little bit. So I can show off the shoes more. I love
Are you
it.
eating all the rest of this?
Yes.
Could be a big plate.
Look at the jeans, look. They taper.
Oh yeah, those ones look good on me.
They're so comfortable. I love them.
What size are those?
9.5.
Oh, I probably need a 10.5. When did you start wearing a 9.5?
When I started wearing the correct shoe size
Oh.
for my foot.
Gotcha.
my Louboutins are 9.5.
But those are kind of tight, aren't they?
Yes, but I tried on a 10 and my heel was slipping out.
You could have put a pad in. Gotta remember that.
I love them. They look good. They feel good. And they're waterproof.
Oh, you're not filming right now, right?
I am filming, so yes, all your commentary is in my video.
Okay.
I already mentioned my trees.
Gross.
You're gross. So the Daelyns are a win. I love them. I feel like a badass biker chick in them. Let me hop on my bike. This is my bike, y'all. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Which shoe do you like the best? Do you like the Daelyn boots or do you like the Agustina mules? Let me know in the comments. If you guys own a pair of Sam Edelman shoes, let me know which ones you own down in the comments below. I love Sam Edelman. Like, it's an obsession. It's an addiction. I love me some Sam Edelman. Make sure to subscribe to me. Your girl is on the road to 400 subscribers, so help a sister out, please. I think I'm at like 322 right now, but come on, help a sister out. Get me to 400, please. Make sure to follow me on all my social media at aanasmira, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.